Hello and welcome to Something Creative with Glyna. Today I'm going to share a very useful hair care tip, and the hero of the story is none other than our rice water. Rice water is rich in vitamins, especially vitamin B and C. It prevents dandruff, promotes hair growth, prevents hair breakage and prevents hair fall. And it gives a natural shine to your hair. In order to collect rice water, you can use any type of rice. Wash your rice thoroughly 2 to 3 times and cook it, and once it is done, strain it and collect the rice water. You can use it directly after cooling, or for best result you can keep it for 2 days to ferment and then use it. I don't add salt in my rice while cooking because you don't want salt residuals in your hair, right? So when you're planning to use rice water for your hair care, remember not to add salt in your rice while cooking. I'll be sharing 5 different ways to use rice water. So let's get into the video.
Here you can see that the rice has started to boil, so I'll cover and cook it, and once it is done I will strain and collect the rice water and let it sit for 2 days in a closed container. After 2 days the water will be fermented and is ready to be used. You can wash your hair directly with this water or apply it on your hair and scalp as shown. Apply it directly on the scalp and hair, work it gently and let it sit for 10 to 20 minutes. You can apply rice water directly with your hands or using brush. Let it sit for 20 minutes and then wash it off with plain water. You can use it every time you wash your hair. With regular use, you can see that it will prevent dandruff and promote new hair growth. It is safe for all age group. If your hair is dry, then applying plain rice water is not a good idea for you. In order to get the benefit of rice water, collect rice water and leave it for 2 days and take equal quantity of curd. Adding curd has the following benefits. It eliminates dandruff, conditions your hair, makes hair shiny and frizz-free. It promotes hair growth, makes your hair strong and healthy. This combination works well for my hair. Apply this mixture and leave it for 20 minutes. You can use it every time you wash your hair. If the curd smell bothers you, apply a mild shampoo. For this hair pack, take 3 teaspoons of rice water and 3 teaspoons of coconut milk. Here I am using fresh coconut milk. In order to extract fresh coconut milk, I have taken 3 teaspoons of grated coconut and mixed 3 teaspoons of water and grinded and got the milk. I ended up with more than 4 teaspoons of coconut milk. Now, the coconut milk is high in protein and rich in vitamins. The natural fatty acid in coconut milk is a natural conditioner for both hair and scalp. Using it regularly will make your hair healthy and will add a natural shine. When using any kind of hair pack, you should use it consistently for 3 to 4 months to see the result, because the natural ingredients of the following hair pack will slowly work on the damages and repair the problem and then improve the texture of your hair. This hair pack is best for dry and frizzy hair. Leave it for 20 minutes and wash it with plain water. For this hair pack, I am taking 3 to 4 teaspoons of fermented rice water and around 3 to 4 teaspoons of ginger juice. In order to extract this ginger, I have taken around 1.5 inches ginger and grinded it into smooth paste by adding little water. When ginger juice is added with rice water, ginger stimulates hair follicles. It strengthens your hair strands. After regular application for 3 to 4 months, you can see new hair growth. It also fights dandruff. After using the ginger juice on your hair, you will see that it leaves a pleasant smell. Apply it on your scalp and hair and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes and wash it with plain water. This is my favorite hair pack. Collect 1 cup of rice water, add 2 to 3 teaspoons of fenugreek seed and mix it well and leave it for a day and let it ferment together. After it has been fermenting for a day, mix them together and strain and remove the juice. Don't discard the fenugreek seed as it can be reused 2 to 3 times by repeating the same process. Fenugreek seed is excellent treatment for hair loss and dandruff. It promotes hair growth, it keeps your scalp healthy, it moisturizes your hair, makes your hair bouncy and frizz-free. Apply it generously on your hair and scalp. Let it sit for 20 minutes and then wash it off with plain water. You can repeat it in every wash. Guys, if you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And please also hit the bell icon so that you get a notification every time I upload a video. So meet you next time in an interesting video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.